Guys, welcome back. Hi, how are you doing? I hope everybody's doing fine. This is Patricia with Easy DIY plant-based recipes. It's great to see you back in March, and I got in February. Before March, I got in because we have more stuff coming up in March. But I'm making today our popcorn. It's gourmet DIY popcorn, and I'm just about ready to start. This one will go fairly quick. What I did, you have the recipe below. Hopefully all the sound is coming in. Welcome to my kitchen. What I've done with this recipe is I've taken the first thing, coconut oil, 2 tablespoons. Now at the same time, I got my burner on to medium high. Okay, it seems to be ready. Coconut oil is in the pan now. I'm going to heat up the coconut oil first, okay? I've got all my stuff mirepoix. I just put it together before we're starting here so that hopefully you will too in your kitchen. These are the spices. I'm making recipe 2 at this time. These are the spices for recipe 2, my favorite. I like both though. Again, if you don't like, and I've said these in other classes, if you don't like some of the ingredients and the spices or whatever, you don't have to use it, okay? Entirely up to you. That's why it's the DIY. So if I hear some comments below, oh, I didn't care too much for that. That was lousy. Well, take out whatever it is, cayenne pepper or whatever. That's one of the common ones that people don't like. When you use the salt, you want to use the granulated, okay? None of the kosher salt or any of that thicker one, because this has to blend in with everything, with the popcorn. You can't just put in bits in this recipe. Now, it is ready, as you may see. It is wet. It's wet. Hope you heard that. It's wet. I've got 3/4 of a cup of the popcorn. I'm going to start putting it in. I'm going to put about a 1/2 cup. You want to mix it around. That's the noise we're going to make. So get ready. You might want to put that down. Whoa, that is really, really. Oh yeah. You need the whole cup. Now I'm not sure. I haven't used this pan yet. This is a new pan that I'm using. I'm using the whole cup because you can see, if you look, get a spoon. They have plenty of oil in them. Okay, they're all saturated, and that's what you need to do in the beginning is saturate them. Hope you heard me there. I'm trying to get the voice out to you. Let them sit there. Put the cover on. Okay? And I'm using a Dutch oven. Like I say, I've never tried it, so I may have to shoot it again. I had another pan, and I cleaned it, and there were bits in it, and I'm like, what? Next time I'm going to get the stainless steel, because this one here is, I washed it a lot, and it didn't work out, so I'm going to try this. All right? Now, the other thing is, I'm going to try it at 3/4 of, medium to high heat. I normally cook it at high heat, so I'm waiting to hear that pop. And if that pop don't come on soon, I'm switching over to high. Oh, I hear it. I hear them. Now you're going to hear noise. This is how. I'm going to lower this so you can see now how we make the popcorn. It's popped. Hold on. Hold on tight. It's going to take a while, so hang in there with me. This is how we do it, and it's smelling good. Hear them? It's a good workout. Yes, this does get hot, so make sure you have your pot holders on. Listen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. You can still hear it cooking in there, even if it's off the heat. This is new to me. This is the Lodge, the pan made by Lodge. It's the cast iron with the uh, enamel on top. I've never used it, but I was surprised at how well it seems to be working. Let's see. I don't smell anything burnt. It's beautiful. And what a workout you get. If you want to get a workout for your biceps, wow, that thing is heavy. This is great. I can't wait to try it now. All right, so I shut off the heat. I hope you can hear me. It looks perfect. You may see some brown bits at the bottom. That's fine. That happens. Some of these get a little bit more brown, but they're not burnt at all. They smell beautiful. Just keep moving it, moving it. I've never used the coconut oil, guys. So let's see how it comes out. I'm going to put the spice in now from up top. They say from up top, all around, all around. Okay. Now, I'm going to mix it with my hands, actually. I didn't know it would get so big. This is my big pan. Oh my God. Now, you guys that are not vegan can put butter. I mean, my daughter would never eat it like this. She wants butter. She wants more salt. Okay. This is a plant-based recipe. And that's how I like it. I like it more healthy. So this is how I eat it. But if you decide, oh, I need butter on that. If you're not plant-based, if you're not vegan, if you want something less healthy, go right for it. If you want more salt, go right for it. Okay? You may need more salt. A lot of people are used to having the popcorn salty. They say that coconut oil is actually used in movie theaters. So I know I have to shake this a little bit more, but in lieu of time, we want to get this done by 10 minutes. I'm going to try it now. It is so good. It had plenty of oil, and I only used the 2 tablespoons. And look at it, made my big pan. With the other bigger pot where I'd use, more than, about a cup and a half, it would make one and a half of these. It may need a little bit more salt, so I'm going to work with it a little bit more when I shut off, and I may put more salt in. But that's all it is, guys. recipes there. I hope you enjoy it. Again, make it yours. You may have to try it a few times to see what you like best. Make it your own. Get plenty of popcorn. It's not expensive, much less expensive than buying popcorn, and it comes out so great. Enjoy, guys. Thanks for showing up again, and we'll be back soon with the garden burger. Take care.